Meanwhile, a heavy snow alert has been issued in Jeju. As heavy snow and strong winds swept through the area, a string of accidents followed. KCTV Jeju reporter Kyung-im.
Military vehicles are mobilizing for snow removal. The heavy snow continues to fall relentlessly, quickly accumulating once again. Staff wearing gloves and hats take up tools themselves to clear the snow outside the building.
Snow has been falling intermittently, easing briefly before picking up again. When it snows in downtown Jeju, accumulation here tends to be heavier.
Snow is falling across Jeju, particularly in mountainous areas, with a heavy snow warning in effect across Jeju except the west. Over 10 centimeters has accumulated in the mountains, leading to a full closure of Halasan for visitors. Roads across the area have turned icy.
I left about 30 to 40 minutes earlier than usual. I normally commute by car, but with the heavy snow today and many roads closed, I decided to take the bus.
As roads frozen overnight failed to thaw, a 1-ton truck skidded in Halimyup, Jeju City, hitting a stone wall and leaving the driver in his 70s in cardiac arrest. Elsewhere, vehicles slid on icy roads, striking pedestrians or other cars, as snow-related accidents continued across the area. Cold weather and snowy conditions are expected to persist through this weekend, requiring extra caution for traffic safety and accident prevention. KCTV News, Kyung-im.